So today I am starting a black noir journal. So it has 48 pages. Look how skinny this is. It just looks beautiful, not sullied by anything. But I need to know how big it is. It is, I'm thinking 8 by 8, the pages inside. So this is going to be more of a mixed media journal as opposed to pure magazine collage, but there's going to be a lot of magazine collage in it. But the first thing I want to do is cut some holes in it. I know, shocking. This is the Dylusions 8 by 8 black journal with really good paper. And then this is the Dylusions Ranger. It's like, it goes in your traveler's notebook, but it's super handy for cutting holes in things because you don't have to have this big giant, I wanted to call it a cutting board, but a cutting mat. You can just have a little tiny one. Oh, that's going to go over the wiggles. Let's flip it around. There we go. Okay. So, there we go. Now we want to go across. And I did a Christmas journal with these kind of peekaboos in it, and they were super fun. It was fun to have that see-through place. I'm not trying to make them especially straight because that kind of precision is not my specialty. Okay, here we go. Do we need to go over this again? Do we need to cut it? No, I think we're good. Get out of there. There we go. There we go. Fold this. There we go. This I'm going to put, because that's really good tag paper, black tag paper. Uh-oh, we got a piece. We got a hanger. So now I have, somewhat close to the front, a hole. Yay us. Cutting black out of a black journal is good, YouTube. All right, let's make a hole on this side. Well, I guess it doesn't matter. I'm going to make a hole on this side. No, it doesn't. It's the hole, so it goes all the way through. Do we want to make a hole in the middle? I think a hole in the middle. What do you think? Maybe not that far down or that far into the book. And you got to be careful when you get to the edge here. But I put lots of layers on my stuff, so I can get pretty close to the edge. If you're not one to put a ton of layers, then you got to be way closer about getting close to this edge. I'll show you what I mean here in a sec. And people have asked me, do I have a plan for the cutouts before I do, you know, like for what's going to go on the cutouts? And no, what happens is I just make the cutouts, and then later on, I find something that goes with them. I think we're gonna do 4 cutouts. So let's go kind of, do we wanna do this one in kind of a square all the way around? I sort of love that. I have a thrift store collage I did in a square all the way around that I adore. Now, if you like your lines to be straight, I'll show you how you can do it. You just grab your metal ruler, like thus, and you cut along it. See? There you go. You might have to go a couple times because I think I did cut the edge of the ruler. But the second time, for sure, this will be easier to follow this little track. Just for me, like everything else, I don't think that anybody's going to be judging how square my cut lines are on my collage because I have so much other stuff going on. All right. so we're going to about, yay, there. Now you really have to support these pages when you cut out their middles like this. It is a relatively fragile guy at this point. So a lot of times I will use tissue paper, I will use patterns, old patterns. That's gonna be fun on the black journal to be able to use those kind of things. And I am all alone. For those of you who watch all the time, do you hear that? What do you hear? Nothing. It's a miracle. Desi's at Britty's house. They went to see the Christmas lights for the last time with Emmy. Oh, I kind of love that one. I'm going to do one more of that one and one more of the side one, and we'll be done. Josiah decided he wanted to stay home. Johnny, that's a little wonky. Johnny got up this morning and went to take photographs and go to Home Depot. He's doing woodworking, which is exciting. He did that when we were first married, and he hasn't done it since we have kids. And no, it's not just because he's going to make me a box for my cigar holder. I'm happy when my husband has a hobby. And he's going to make me a cigar holder. Cigar box holder. How exciting is that? To put my stuff in. There we go. And let's do one more all the way around. And we will be done. Now, you could make squiggly lines. When Diane did it, so first off, a lot of times what Diane will do is she'll draw this and then cut it off like that and make a waterfall page, which is cool. She'll also kind of freehand, oh, that could have been ugly, as I cut through 15 pages of my journal. So you want to put your cutting mat, whatever kind it is. I have a big one that is green, right? That's like for fabric cutting or for other types of cutting. You don't need this little pink one. I just use it because it's so easy to put in a journal and just be able to do that. But if all you have is a big green one, you don't have to buy one of these pink ones. It is kind of fun though, to carry it around in your journal and then just like hack your pages up, which is something that I intend to do more. I have done, but I intend to do more because I feel like it makes a real cool little peekaboo area to look through. Right. Okay, there we go. And like I said, this is good paper. This is heavy quality black cardstock paper. So definitely do not throw those out. So we have 5 pages now. We have, I'll keep this so you can see through them. One big one. We have one in the middle. We have another big one. We have, kind of one peeky buoy on this edge, and then one peeky buoy on this edge, right? And as you were cutting, you might have seen that they weren't perfectly straight or whatever, but even now, as we take a step back and we just look at them, you're never gonna notice that they're not straight. So hang in there for the unveiling of the new acrylic blocks if you like seeing stuff I bought. Otherwise, thanks for coming. Tara Jacobsen, Artsy Fartsy Life. First off, I got a new journal. Ooh, I got free stickies. I don't know what color that is. It's supposed to be pops of color and it looks white. Anyways, I got a new journal and some new scrapbook.com acrylic blocks, which should make everybody's heart happy as I look unceasingly for my acrylic blocks. For those of you who actually care about things, look at this. Perfect size, super fat. Yay us. Okay, let's get this one. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, there we go. Ooh, you know what? The side pieces kind of make it nice. Imagine that.